Hey guys, back again, and today I wanted to have a chat with you about our Response Plus throttle controllers. Now these are designed to take the lag out of your accelerator pedal, and they do this by modifying the signal that the factory ECU sees from your accelerator pedal and increases the curve and how far the throttle actually opens compared to what you're putting into the accelerator pedal. So with this particular one, we have 36 adjustable settings. We also have an ambient light sensor in it, so that monitors how much light is in the environment, and it will automatically dim the LEDs on the display, so at night time it's not blinding you or being distracting to you as the driver. So we're also going to put this in today, and we're going to show you exactly how easy it is, and it only takes about 5 minutes to get it done. So we'll get stuck into it. So after you grabbed everything out of the box, grab your harness, and what you want to do is you want to be able to access the driver's side right next to the accelerator pedal. You shouldn't have to remove any trims. Some vehicles you may have to remove this kick trim just down here, but in most cases you don't have to remove the trim at all. So under the vehicle you'll have this same plug on the top of your accelerator pedal. This particular one, you have to pull that slider out to unlock the plug. So you have to do that on the factory one. And that just disconnects. And you get the factory harness, which is just unplugged from the accelerator pedal, and you plug this end. Plug that end in, and then plug the other end back onto the accelerator pedal and lock it in. Make sure if there's any security tabs on the plugs that they are locked back in and they're firm, so you don't have any issues with the plugs coming off. The excess part of the harness, just tuck up to the side. There are zip ties in the kit that you can use to secure these in a safe place, so the accelerator or the cables don't fall down in front of your feet. So once you've got the cable tacked up out of the way, get out the connection harness for the controller. Find a suitable mounting spot for the controller, somewhere where it's not going to be right in your face, but you can still get good access to it. So we're going to I think we'll put ours right there. There you go guys, that's about as complicated as the installation gets. So 5 minutes, you should have it done and dusted. So we'll turn the ignition on, and I'll show you how to calibrate it as well. For your particular, they are all application specific, but you can calibrate it specifically for your vehicle. So I'll show you how to do that. So put your key in the ignition, hold the up and down arrows, turn the car on. You'll see the countdown timer, so push the accelerator pedal all the way down and let it all the way up. Do that a couple of times. And then you'll have the -00, which means that it's now calibrated. So that's calibrated to your accelerator pedal, and that's as hard as it gets. So we'll go through the settings. At the moment it's on F1.8, so each one of these F1, F2, F3 are all individually adjustable. So F1.8, it's almost right at its maximum limit. So you can turn that down or turn it up. So F1 is like city driving, for instance. And then you have, let's jump straight to F. So F2, once again, it's at F2.8. So you can turn this down and turn it up to whatever setting that you feel comfortable with. And then also there's the F3, which is like the sports or race mode. And once again, that can be individually adjusted as well. You have an auto function, which is like an intelligent mode. Economy, and once again that can be adjusted up or down as well. So this is supposed to give you better fuel economy. Once again, it depends on the vehicle and obviously your driving style as well. There is also this one here, the NO. So that's normal mode. So there is no additional inputs from the throttle controller. It's like it was not there. So that's your standard throttle response that you would have from the vehicle from factory. So there you go, guys. Super easy install, and it'll change the way that your vehicle drives. It has to be tried to believe. So jump on our website, directionplus.com.au, or any of our distributors, and they'll be able to help you out with one of our awesome throttle controllers.